Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks, and today's video is going to be about fine-tuning a really detailed item. This is an 18 by 24 map, and I've probably made at least 25 this size, and it took me, when I first started, it took me 2 days to draw this, but now I can draw it in a couple hours, and I change every one of them a little bit, because as it's sitting there running, this takes a long time to engrave these lines, and it's so big it takes like an hour to run. So I've got some time by the laser that I can do some work, and I'll sit there and critique it. I just recently uh, made this river go across this road on the Pedernales Riverside, make it a little longer. Anyway, if you hit F4 on your keyboard, you get your total map. But we want to critique this right here. So if you'll zoom in, and we'll even zoom in a little bit more, instead of working around the map constantly, you can hit the N key on your keyboard and you get this. It's a navigation. I don't really like it because unless you can turn down the movement of your hand, it's moving too fast. So I use the H, which gives you the pan tool, where you can still pan around at this level. And because I use the shape tool so much, instead of going up here to the shape tool, and it's F10, I will just navigate with the H tool to where I want to be, and then hit F10, never really taking my eyes off the subject. And I can see this node right here. It's a little too sharp for me, so I'm gonna make it a little bit rounder, make it more look like the lake. I'm going to take this one, and let's just see what happens if it disappears. I don't want that. It's too much. But I want this corner not to be quite so sharp. I want it to more be a flow. Now I want to navigate up a little bit. I'm going to hit H. H as in Helen. And I'm got back, so I'm go to my shape tool. I've got this node right here. And I'm just going to turn him where he's a little bit more even. I don't really like that one too much. It's a little bit sharp. I'm trying to get more flowing edges. But anyway, if you'll hit your H key, you can keep moving around. Like there's a pretty sharp turn right there. You can actually hit your zoom key and zoom in a little bit more. Hit your H key and you can pan around. Hit your F10 key. Well, I did something. I didn't hit F10. F10 to get the shape tool back, and you can't really do anything with this one because it's your arrows are out of the picture, so you have to kind of zoom back out to get there. But that's a lot better. I like that. Anyway, so the H key will give you your panning tool, and it's right here in your zoom. It's either zoom Z or pan for H, and I'm guessing it's for going along. It would be like moving it with your hand on the screen. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.